Welcome back to the channel today, guys. I have some pretty exciting news. I just want to thank you guys so much, and I want to let y'all know that we just hit 450 subscribers. Like, wow, like 450. Literally 50 away from 500, and that's half away from 1,000. So we are stupid close, guys. If you're viewing this for the first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris. We do Mustang things here. I make car reviews, how-tos. I'm about to start building the motor on this thing, so hold on one second. So yeah, man, like I was saying, we're about to start building the motor on this thing. We're about to start doing some power upgrades, and I cannot wait. Like, this thing's gonna be nasty. So today we're gonna be showing you guys my new shift knob. I just got a shift knob in the mail. Finally pulled the trigger on one. I just bought this one that you guys are about to see, but I was either gonna go with this one or I was gonna go with the carbon fiber one, and I posted either or up on my on my Instagram, and I let you guys choose. So usually when I can't decide on some parts that I want for my car, I choose like either or, like the two that I want or whatever, and I let you guys choose. Like I don't know, I'm indecisive sometimes, but I let you guys choose for me. I like both of them, so whichever ones you guys like better, that's the one I chose to do. But yeah, without further ado, let's hit this unboxing and throw the knob on, and let's see how it is. Alright guys, we're back. Oh, and before I forgot, shout out American Muscle. They sent me this this shirt along with some other stuff that I got. So it's a pretty cool RTR shirt, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is in this package right here. So bam, and VMS Racing. So little box right there. I'm pretty excited. It feels kind of heavy, so that's a good sign. It's not some cheap plastic or whatever. What is this? Looks like they sell cam gears, adjustable cam gears, lug nuts. I don't know about ordering lug nuts from eBay, but I order a shift knob. And this feels pretty good, guys. Wow, I can see it through the package. It looks pretty good. I'm way too happy for a shift knob. Like, you shouldn't be this happy for a shift knob, but wow, this actually does feel of good quality. I only paid $23 for this thing, I think, on eBay, free shipping. So wow, dude, this feels really good. I thought the threads were plastic. Little sneak peek right there. This came, so you screw it down onto your boot, and then you screw the knob on. So I'll take you guys right here off this mount, and then I'll show y'all me installing this thing. Alright, so I actually put y'all up on the window right there, but it didn't work out well because I don't have a wide angle lens, but that's coming soon. I just need to make some more money, guys. So I apologize for that, but first things first, remove the old OEM. Pretty simple. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Bam. Pull the boot down, and if you guys want to see, ready? 1, 2. Bam. There it is. See that? Looks pretty sweet, man. I have to say, it looks awesome. But without further ado, man, install this thing. Alright, so I'm sure this works as like a locking mechanism, so the design isn't wrong. So 1 second. Alright, so here it is. Focus in on that. Here it is right here. So we're just gonna thread this down. And the reason why I know these are the right threads, okay, so maybe it's this way. Yeah, dumb Chris. Okay. The reason I know it's the right threads, American Muscle, don't be mad at me. I mean, they're not watching my videos, so. But I went to American Muscle, looked at the shift knobs, looked at the specifications, and this is the same thread size. So that's pretty good. So we're gonna like screw this down right here, and then get our shift knob. It's freaking awesome. I'm super happy about this, man. This is pretty good quality. Excuse my mess of wires right here, guys. Sorry about that. So we back it up right there, then raise this. How low is this? Okay. Goes right here. That's as low as the threads will go. Turn it. So turn it right there, and then you're gonna raise up this locking right here. That's what it's made for. It's made to lock. So, and then boom. Pull the boot up like that. So there it is, guys. For $25, I am pretty satisfied. So yeah, guys, for $25, I am pretty satisfied, not gonna lie. It looks freaking awesome. So, you guys wanted a better look? Reverse. Damn, this thing feels good, man. So, it says it's advertised to about 10 horsepower, so hopefully we get that, or maybe even more. So comparison, just in case you guys wanted to see, the ball's pretty much bigger. I mean, I just like the ball design better. It feels better in your hand, you know. But yeah, man, I definitely recommend, if you guys are trying to buy the same shift knob as me, if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description where I got it. 23 bucks, I think, free shipping, and it looks freaking awesome. Alright, another thing, you guys might be asking, Chris, why'd you buy that shift knob for your car? You're 2-valve. 2-valves aren't fast. Well, this car will be fast soon, I'm telling you that right now. So before you go and start talking about the 2-valves again, oh, it's just a 2-valve, well, we can set up a race and you can find out for yourself. So I'm adding you, Ruben, get ready. That's a race that's gonna be on this channel, guys. 2-valve versus 3-valve. He thinks he's gonna beat me, but I'm telling you guys right now, I'm putting it on for the 2-valves. I'm gonna walk this kid. So keep that in mind, guys. That video is coming. Some race videos, stuff like that. But one more shot. Excuse the wire mess, like I said. Look at that thing. Looks really nice. Guys, so once again, thank you so much. 452 subscribers, guys. We are on our way to 500, and we're just gonna keep on climbing higher and higher. So if you guys aren't yet subscribed, this channel is going a long way, guys. I'm telling you right now, I'm in it for the long run. More cool and awesome videos are on the way, so you're not gonna want to miss this. I'm telling you guys right now, you're not gonna want to miss this. So if you guys like this video, if you guys videos like this, if you're ready for the race video, comment down below, 2-valve versus 3-valve. Smash that like button, guys. I'd appreciate it so much. It helps me out so much. And hit that subscribe button. 500, we're on our way. Well, what do we have here? Oops, can't show you guys that. What is that? Alright, guys, so this next video, you're not gonna want to miss this. I'm telling you, big things for the Mustang. Time to make some power, guys. See you guys next time.